Hey guys, I've never seen so many Teslas in my life. I checked the back here over at a Tesla shop. So these are all Tesla that are waiting for delivery. There's a whole line of it. And I talked to the rep, there's over 500,000 of those cars, which means there's gonna be more Teslas than iPhones in America. Hey guys, as I was saying earlier, for the Tesla Services Center, I mean, if you haven't driven one, you should probably just go to the Tesla place in Jacksonville and take a small test drive or whatsoever. That way you can at least have the experience for yourself, so that way because a lot of people say they don't like Tesla, but I don't even understand why. I mean, the really main reason is because that the car, you can only drive so far, but obviously you have to think that it's a good technology, just kind of like just ramping up every other year. Things get better and better. So it's just like gas vehicle, they didn't get better overnight, so they get better every year over time and stuff like that. And as you can see now, so Tesla, you can actually drive further away, like 300 something miles now on the actual Model X and Model S, as well as the Model 3. And with the new version of Roadster coming in, that you can drive over 600 something miles, that's way beyond good. And I think for those of us who have gas car, I mean, it's great to have it, but think about it, just living in a world where just everything else is just electric. I mean, it's great, and your ride is more quieter, more smoother, so less carbon in the air. So if you don't have a Tesla now, I suggest you go test drive one and make plans to get one in the next 5 to 10 years, because you don't want to be the person who's driving a gas car in 10-20 years, because there probably won't be any. So I feel bad for you. So just keep up with technology. Keep up with technology, because that's what's going to change the world. Just like when we used to have flip phone back in the days, like back in 2004, all of a sudden flip phone just vanished. No more flip phones. You will find flip phones, but it's just in like a third world country, or just other country, or maybe like a senior citizen phone, stuff like that, since they prefer to have the flip phone. It's the same thing for cars. So at some point there will not be any more gas car. Yeah, obviously there will be additional Tesla competitors and stuff like that are making electric vehicle, but that doesn't mean that they will be up to Tesla standard by the time they get there, because they still have a long way to go. So Tesla have already made all the bad experience, the good experiences about their car, so they know what works and what doesn't, and they know what people are looking for, and I'm sure they are working on making that happen. So don't be the one to get caught up in the next 10 years in a gas car. Obviously, like myself, I'm driving a gas car, but I mean, does that mean petrol fuel vehicle gonna be going away? No, it doesn't mean that, but there may be less and less of that kind of car in the next 5 to 10 years. So yeah, good luck, guys. Good luck. I mean, if you're in Jacksonville, so they have a Tesla Cell Service Center over in the St. John Town Center, where you can actually go and test drive any other car. I think they might have a Model 3 there, a Model X and Model S as well. That way you have preferences on what kind of car you want to buy. But then delivery is pretty fast. So if you need somebody, if you are getting a Tesla for the first time, going with the Model X or S, you get it faster. But Model 3, you may need to have somebody that owns a Tesla before to make the purchase for you on their name. Then you have it transferred to your name once the car is ready to be delivered. All right, so don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out.